Hi guys, so we're on video number 3 where we're talking about writing a quadratic equation from a word problem. Now these are a little bit more involved because these involved geometry. So here we've got the width of a rectangular card is 2 centimeters less than the length. The area is 15 square centimeters. Find the length and the width, draw a picture, and label the sides. Okay, well first of all we need our variable, which is always we talked about always letting it be W. Okay, so let W equal the width. Okay. Why do I pick the width? It doesn't have to be the width, but I always go with the one that's smaller, okay, because I don't like to have subtraction. So, and then I draw a picture because that's something that I do know. So all of this you should be able to do, right? And following that problem-solving framework we've talked about, we know that we're trying to figure out the length and the width of the picture. What guesses do I have? Okay, so the area is 15. So I'm looking for two numbers that multiply to 15 because area is length times width. So that's actually something I need to know. I need to know the area formula of a rectangle. So length times width equals area. And so we already know that the area is 15. And if the width is W, it's 2 less than the length. So that means the length has to be W plus 2. So W plus 2 equals the length. All right, well, I have everything I need to solve this problem, but I still want to take a guess. So what two numbers that are 2 away from each other that give me 15? I hope your guess is 5 and 3, right? Because 5 times 3, those are 2 away from each other. But let's use algebra to prove it, that 5 and 3 are our answers. So we would do 15 equals W plus 2, which is the length, times the width, which is W. We would multiply, so that would give us W squared plus 2W equals 15. I might choose to use the symmetric property and rewrite this as W squared plus 2W equals 15, just because I like it like that, but you don't have to. I see it's a quadratic equation because the highest exponent's a 2, so I'm going to get it set equal to 0, standard form, set equal to 0. Now I'm going to factor it into its linear factors, so W plus 5 and W minus 3, those are the things that multiply to negative 15 that add to 2. All right, I'm going to use the zero product property and set each factor, each linear factor equal to 0. I'm going to subtract 5 on both sides and get W equals negative 5 and W equals 3. Well, we know width can't be negative, so it's not a solution to this problem. So my width has to be 3 and my length has to be 5. And there we've solved our problem. All right, I want you guys to do the try now problem and turn it in for tomorrow. All right, have a great day.